And we're live. We're live all over the place. We're on Facebook. We're on YouTube. We're on Periscope. How you doing, Dex?
Doing great, my man.
It's good to talk to you, man. We've not done, like, people are gonna think we broke up or had a lover spat or something.
We've been busy, man, trying to get that paper.
Been busy.
Been in that
doing
lab.
some cool things. You've been in the lab. People have been taking advantage of some amazing things that we've been offering, kind of quietly, to our community. But if you keep an eye out, I know many of you are on our mailing lists and you get emails from us, you follow our Twitter, stuff like that. Even better, a whole bunch of you over the last several weeks have taken advantage of our free membership, which is sick. We've been doing free Bitcoin trades the last 2 weeks. I didn't even tell you, Dex. I extended the Bitcoin free price trigger for a whole extra week because I felt bad for we only had 2 or 3 days because of Thanksgiving last week.
Yeah,
so I thought, well,
holidays.
we'll extend it for one more week, and we did that. So to those of you who get our newsletter, follow our Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube, what else? Are part of our free membership. We've got something special. Keep an eye on the social media. Keep an eye on your email. In the next few hours, we've got a really sick Christmas sale that we're offering. This is something special. The only people who've gotten a better deal are people who've been members with us for considerable time. So this is something really, really special. So
Never say we didn't give you nothing.
Oh man, thank you, Danny. It's nice to see you as well. So check that. And by the way, the only way to take advantage of that is to go to pulsewavetrading.com. Links in the description. You got to have a free membership. The deal that we're offering, the special Christmas special, it's only visible on the free members trading dashboard. So we do a free price trigger trade every week, almost always in crypto, though one of these days I'll do forex. I keep promising I'm going to do a forex week. But everybody likes crypto and I love crypto, so I've been doing mostly crypto. And I'd say almost the last whole month, we've been showing you how to go long and short cryptos. A lot of people who started trading cryptos when it was all the cool kids were trading it have only experienced trading cryptos going one way, and that is to either get in or get out, to go long or to get out into USDT. Well, we have a lot more options now with KuCoin and BitMEX and a lot of other places, Kraken, offering contract trading, offering margin trading. And so we're showing you how to take your Bitcoin or whatever you got and use it to go long, using it to go short. So whichever way the market moves, you can profit using these new tools that are available. So we've been focusing on that quite a bit with our free price trigger trade of the week, which is really cool. So you get that PulseWave Trading. It's the top link in the description on YouTube and probably everywhere else. So very easy to find that. And we're offering our very, very special Christmas offer from Dex. And so go in there and check that out and keep an eye on your email. If you forget, we will be sending an email out. So if you're on our mailing list, that should be coming to you pretty soon. So how you doing, Dex? I'm done with our big promo for today.
Yeah, you did a good job, my man. You did a good job.
Thanks, buddy. Anyway, it's good to sit down with you, and we're going to take a look at some charts. And thank you all for tuning in. We've missed you. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. I'm going to share this one. Let me clear off my private stuff. Here we go. There we go. All right, I think I got Bitcoin. Let's see. Yeah, this is Bitcoin USD. What say you, Dex? We had a sort of a, well, anyway.
Well, it looks like the market is it ceased from falling at the moment. On the weekly, you do have rampage coming up. I think the market's going to try to retrace some of these losses. The only issue that we have that is overhead right now on the short term is the pointer on the daily. So there could be another little pullback here, but I think the market really does want to make a run here.
You talking about these pointers down here on the daily?
Yeah, man, it's bearish pointer. Can't ignore that.
Yeah.
I think one last pullback to that level, and then the market should start basing out, and then retracement. Okay. That's what the market's looking at. It's what it's looking like right now. And of course, all this can definitely change in the twinkle of an eye.
Well, we had a it wasn't the most exciting week for a free Bitcoin trade. Nothing super happened. It kind of just whipsawed a little bit. But we had an interesting thing the other day. If you were following along with me, it wasn't like, you know, Ferrari money or anything, but we got pulled in short, got out with a tiny profit, and then went long and got out with a tiny profit on both sides of the market, which you know, I thought was pretty impressive for the price triggers. You know, we captured both moves, which was pretty awesome.
Yeah, I've been in the lab,
that, but it
man.
was cool.
I've been in the lab working on some stuff to make that possible.
Yeah, well,
so
it's possible. It's popping now.
it's on and popping. It's not only possible, but it's popping. I like that. Hey, you heard it right here, folks. If you want to be a part of the possible and profitable and popping, then you got to come over here and start off by going to our website at PulseWaveTrading.com and signing up for that free account so you can see some of the extra goodies there.
All right, let's look at a couple other pairs. We haven't looked at BNB in a while. Let's take a look at that.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
What do you think, man?
What do I think?
We've been waiting for this to do something. Oh, we haven't looked in a while. It's in the Kumo cloud on the daily. So that's new.
Yeah, that's interesting. But you do have that massive. You got that massive bearish pointer on the daily that cannot be ignored. Yeah,
two of them.
Yeah, I think in the short term, the market's going to try to retrace somewhat from the low. So we could try to make it somewhere toward the bottom of the Kumo cloud there on the weekly before falling back down again. But I think before we really take off, the market's going to have to deal with those two bearish pointers.
Gotcha. That's helpful.
Yep.
Interesting things happening with VET. We haven't looked at this in ages. In fact, I think it's on my list just because I look at it. But VET, look at the move it had in the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, that's quite a move.
Yeah.
PulseWaves would have got you in there pretty nice. Let's see. So you got a bullish pointer that is in the process of being made right now. If the market were to close where it's at right now, that would be a bullish pointer on the weekly. Market is strengthening, trying to get inside of that Kumo cloud there in the weekly. On the daily, almost an identical kind of a picture here, but the market is bullish right now. It's very bullish. It's parabolic.
Yeah.
At the moment.
Yeah, they had they made some kind of announcement. They made a deal with China on something.
That explains it.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay, let's do one more crypto. Let's skip to forex. Let's look at the Aussie dollar.
All right, giving the peoples a little bit of forex. That'll work.
Hey, man, we throw a little forex in there.
Hey, look, from time to time. From time to time. That's right. We trade everything here.
Don't forget the price triggers.
Even baseball cards.
Membership, if you have a pro membership, there's over 3,000 triggers posted Sunday through Thursday.
That's a lot of triggers.
So we got forex, we got futures, we've got stocks, we've got cryptos, we've got it all, man.
We got it all, man.
All right. So any thoughts on the Aussie dollar? It's climbing up the daily.
Yeah, the Aussie is doing better than gold is doing. So it's acting more like a currency today. All right. So the Aussie dollar is acting like a currency. You did have the bearish pointer on the weekly that has now been canceled out by the minimum pointers on the weekly, bearish pointers on the weekly. So you kind of canceled yourself out, and now you've created a trading range for the weekly. All right, let's see. On the daily, we're in a consolidation trading in and out of the Kumo cloud top side. So right now, the bulls have control of the market temporarily, as there's been a nice bounce from the prior week's low on that weekly chart. So this one, has some bullish tendencies building up in it. I think the market wants to run toward the bottom of the Kumo cloud on the weekly, and then we'll see what gets cracking from there.
All right, cool. Well, IT is guilting us with money. Yeah, wants to look at Zcash and PPT. So,
all right.
You've done it, IT. You have sufficiently guilted me. Let me now. I got to find them though. Let me find my big long crypto list. Come on, it's longer than that. Let's see over here, maybe. Here we go. if we have a PPT chart. Even with all that guilt, I can't find it.
Not working.
Let's see. Oh, here we go. All right, we got something. Oh, okay, cool. This is Binance. I always forget it's on Binance. We'll look at the Bitcoin chart first.
All right.
And then there we go. All right, here it is.
All right, so this one is really flattening out.
Look at that.
On the weekly, it's flat. It's trying to get a little bit of muster going. It wants to retrace off the lows and just having a real tough time of it. I think it's going to try to get itself inside of the Kumo cloud. You do got rampage on the daily chart. So right now, I'm going to say right now the market has ceased, trending lower, it's bottom short term, and it wants to make a run from here. But it's going to be hard pressed because overhead resistance is massive.
Right. Okay, Zcash.
All right, Zcash is kind of looking similar to that last chart.
Yeah.
It is definitely, the bears are still in control of this one. It seems like all rallies are being sold. So this one is what it is until it changes. Right now, it's still bearish, nothing bullish on the chart. The daily specifically on this one.
Yeah. Santana, can you get me a ticker on that? I can't remember what Chainlink looks like. I don't know if it's Chain. I don't know. Please just send it and I'll see if I can find it. There was another one. Let's see. Nathan. Okay. Can't ignore our man, Nathan. All right. Let's look at gold.
He wants spot gold and platinum.
What's a good one for spot gold?
Okay. If I remember correctly, it is XAU, I believe.
XAU. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there it is.
It's a universal code.
This one?
It's universal. Yeah.
XAU USD.
Yeah, XAU, and then the other one for the silver is I think XAG or something like that. Since they said we can't trade spot in the States no more, I almost kind of forgot my codes there. And I used to trade this stuff religiously every day. All right, so yeah, see, this is what I was saying earlier when I said the Aussie chart was acting more like a currency today since gold was taking it on the chin.
Right.
So gold is selling off nicely here. I think gold has a lot more to drop. I think that the bears are in control of the market, especially on the weekly chart. And I think the market is in danger right now of falling to the top of the Kumo cloud on the weekly chart.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Okay, Santana. Oh, it's a link. Oh, I didn't realize that. My mind was focusing on the chain part.
As in Chainlink fence. Chainlink fence.
Here's link USD. Let me see if I can find BTC. Yeah, here we go. All right, let's do this one. All right, here's link BTC. I'm going to assume BTC pair. If you guys have requests, if you want it against USD, please just when you request it, let us know and we'll try to find USD.
All right, so let's see. This
now that we have our full featured BTC pairs sheet, there's no going back for me.
I know.
I love that. That's like
you've been turned out with that sheet.
I love it. I loved the one when it was just the buy and sell. Now that it has all the indicators, it's sick. I love it. And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, go back on our YouTube a week or two. We talked about how to use the new sheets and the new reports, and we've got the sick BTC pairs. Anyway, sorry. Go ahead, Dex.
All right. So on this one, it's bullish right now. The weekly chart is bullish. So the longer term trend is bullish. The shorter term trend has been pulling back within the longer term trend. So right now, temporarily, the bears are in control. You're basically in a pullback on the daily. So this one here has some overhead resistance to be contended with, but it looks like we could be pulling back even further. Okay. So I will watch this one, even though we moved up nicely with the rampage on the right-hand side on the weekly chart. We're in danger of falling below on the daily chart.
He actually wants the USD. So this is link USD.
All right.
Anything different?
Yeah. Right now, the bears are putting a lot of pressure on this one. It's threatening to go a little parabolic here. If you look at that weekly, it's really starting to accelerate down. And on the daily, I think the rally is about to be sold. That's what it's kind of showing us here. It's hitting a upside resistance. So this one right now, it doesn't have any, it's lost its bullish momentum, put it that way. Yeah, you're up on the daily, but the weekly is saying something different right now. So this one is very interesting. For this one, I would definitely watch any rally or crash alerts, and then I would trade with the price triggers accordingly. Because this one is very mixed. You don't really have a lot of momentum to go by.
Yeah.
So you have to stick with the triggers on this one.
Great. Someone was asking me, do I have an article for the vet stuff I was talking about? Sorry, no, I don't. No idea where I heard that.
Sound like me now. We don't know. You don't know where things are.
I know what I heard. I just don't know where I heard it. Digibyte. Let's go with Digibyte. Here's the crypto, the Bitcoin Digibyte. Oh, he wanted USD. He answered the question I was about to ask. There you go. So this is Digibyte USD, and then we'll do. Well, then we're gonna wrap it up. Go ahead.
All right. Okay, so this one's all over the place. I do not like that daily chart. That daily chart is a mess. Prices are all over the place. So just by looking at that daily chart, that's a scary one to trade because it looks like it has very thin volume, trading volume, and almost 0% liquidity. I would double check that and make sure. So
this is the Bitfinex chart. So yeah, so scary to trade. All right, cool. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We missed you. Thanks for all the questions and comments and requests. That makes it much more fun.
I can't stress enough how important it is to go to the website and sign up for that account so that you can receive some super discounts that are on the way. And the only way to take advantage of these is if you have that account set up through the website.
Yep. Yeah, it's part of our free membership. I'll pull this up. Let me pull this up and show people.
You snooze, you lose.
Here we go. All right. So here's where you go. You go to pulsewavetrading.com and then upper right hand, well, right here in the menu bar thing.
Oh, that page
navigation.
is nice.
Just click on.
Update.
Oh, you like that? You haven't seen that? Yeah, you have no reason to go to the homepage, so why would you see it, right? Yeah, actually, Kung Fu has done some really beautiful updates to our homepage. So you go to the free membership, you get a direct link to that in the my doorbell's ringing and I'm home alone. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. So go to pulsewavetrading.com, get that free membership, and you get the free price trigger trade of the week, and you'll see this ridiculous offer that Dex has for Christmas time. Check it out, take advantage. It won't be up there forever. All right, thanks everybody. We appreciate you. Dex, take us out.
Remember, everybody, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.